Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It feels like a lifetime since I recorded my last video. I can't remember when was it. Seriously, I was working on a really serious project, so it took me a long time. So anyways, this is today's look and it's shimmer all around. I've used like eyeshadows, finishing powders, highlighters, I don't know, glitters. I used everything that I got. So maybe, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's a lot. Well, let's just jump into this tutorial, shall we? So let's get started. My eyebrows are already done and I did contour my nose first just because it's easier to do this part before I do my eyebrows and eye makeup. So anyways, that's what I'm doing today. One of my favorites, it's Inglot AMC Gel Eyeliner. This one is in shade 89. Placing it on the outer corner of my eye. Doing the same on the lower lash line, just the half of the lower lash line actually. We'll see how this makeup look will turn out, so maybe I will pull it all the way. And anyways, the reason I did put AMC Gel Eyeliner first is because it will make my eyeshadow last longer. It is a little bit hard to work with because you, like I said, you have to be really quick with it. But and it will intensify your eyeshadow, also will stop it from creasing. That's one of the main reasons why I'm doing it. Next step, we'll be using this eyeshadow right here from the Ilamask Artistry Elemental palette, and it's time for highlight. So right underneath my brow bone area. What is this? And then mixing this warmer color. Why it looks so dark on the... Yeah, actually it looks, it's going to look on your skin way darker, but it's not. It's really light actually. So next step, I'm mixing a lot of palettes today, I guess. From the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette and the NYX Cosmetics, what is this? Midnight Chaos. So this color right here. I mixed this really warm. It's almost like no brown color, it's more reddish than brown, and this other color is brown. I will place it right where I put my gel eyeliner. And now the really important key is to blend this eyeshadow even more than if you put this eyeshadow where you put your eyeliner before, then you have to blend it all around, like even higher towards your brow bone, and making like a little strokes to place this eyeshadow even more towards my hairline, if that makes sense. In the meantime, I did decided to go all the way with the lower lash line with this dark warm brown color. And now I'm gonna take this matte black color from the same Ilamask palette to darken outer corner of my eye even more. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to use this color from the same Huda Beauty palette and wet brush a little bit, because these are duochrome shimmers and the best way to apply them is actually with the wet brush or your finger. In the end of the day, I think this is going to look very duochromatic look. This color, I'm going all around this browns that we put before. See how it kind of changes its color? Okay, the same color using my finger. Wow, look at this. Usually I do not use my fingers, but can you see how it reflects? It's gorgeous. They are a little bit harsh to apply, but you get a great result. Using the same brush, just blend it a little bit. Then using this color right here, which is a little bit darker color, moving towards this dark outer corner of my eye. And since this is still too light, I have to use again this dark brown color just to match, just to get a nice transition. Okay, and now it is time for my all-time favorites. It is from Warrior palette, Moremi shade. And this color I use for my highlight also. And for the last step, I did use from the Makeup Factory limited edition this pearl yellow, almost white shade from this palette, and Moremi mixing in the inner corner of my eye. Oh, just gonna go and put some false eyelashes and a little bit of eyeliner. And I think that's about it for the eyes for today, and then I will just move to my contour and the rest of my face makeup. So here it is, you guys, the final look. It's nothing super crazy, it's more kind of glamorous look than creative, I guess. And of course, if you have any questions regarding these products, then just let me know. And of course, I do look forward to see you guys in one of my next videos. Let me know what would you like to see. I was thinking about doing a specific bridal look because I do lots of bright makeup, but here on the internet, I guess I pull off more of my creative side, so there will be something really interesting to do. Anyway, thank you for being here and for watching this video, and if you want to check out any other video, they will be somewhere around here, and just be free to check them out. Thank you so much again. I love you. Bye. I'm looking forward to see you in one of my Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It feels like it passed. Что это было?